Hey there, Iggy here. The Investing Iguana is featured and ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers, with a total of 410,000 reads. Today, we're going to dive into the financial performance of Top Glove, one of the world's largest glove manufacturers. Top Glove is a dominant player, with a 26% global market share for rubber gloves. They export to over 2,000 customers in 195 countries, which is impressive. For this video, we will analyze and decode 7 key slides from their latest investor presentation. As a general summary, let's talk about the challenges Top Glove faced in recent years. In 2022, they reported a net loss due to the oversupply situation in the glove industry. Customers had stockpiled gloves during the pandemic, leading to a slowdown in orders. Additionally, rising production costs, like the hike in natural gas tariffs and minimum wage, impacted their bottom line. However, Top Glove remains optimistic about the future. They believe that once customers' stockpiles are depleted and restocking activity resumes, the market will stabilize. The company is focusing on operational efficiency, cost rationalization, and deferring capital expenditure for new capacity in 2023. It's important to note that Top Glove's financial performance is not a true reflection of the industry's potential. Gloves are an essential item in the healthcare, industrial, and food sectors with no viable replacement. As hygiene and health awareness remain elevated post-pandemic, the demand for gloves is expected to grow. Top Glove is taking steps to navigate this challenging period, such as reviewing their business expansion plans, optimizing manpower, and enhancing operational efficiency. They are also working with suppliers to ensure cost-effective procurement. Without further ado, let's review Top Glove's 7 key slides. Slide 1. Based on the slide titled Top Glove at a Glance, Top Glove Corporation BHD appears to be a dominant player in the global glove manufacturing industry. With a market capitalization of $53.9 billion, approximately $13.5 billion US, the company commands a significant presence and valuation in the market. A few key highlights from the slide. Top Glove claims to be the world's largest manufacturer of gloves, with an impressive annual production capacity of 75 billion gloves. This massive scale of operations likely provides the company with economies of scale and cost advantages over competitors. The company reported revenue of $19.3 billion, around $4.8 billion US, indicating a substantial top line and suggesting a strong demand for its products globally. The revenue growth chart also shows a steep upward trajectory, implying robust financial performance in recent years. Top Glove has a broad customer base, serving over 2,000 customers across 195 countries. This global reach and diversified customer portfolio could mitigate concentration risks and provide resilience against localized market fluctuations. With 21,000 employees, the company has a sizable workforce, which could be both an advantage in terms of operational capabilities and a challenge in terms of managing costs and productivity. Overall, the slide portrays Top Glove as a leading player in the glove manufacturing industry with a strong financial position, global reach, and significant production capabilities. Investors interested in the stock may find the company's scale, growth prospects, and market dominance appealing, but would also need to evaluate factors such as profitability, competitive landscape, and potential risks or challenges in the industry. Slide 2. Based on the slide titled Healthcare Spending Will Continue to Increase in Emerging Markets, Top Glove Corporation BHD appears well-positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for gloves in developing countries. The slide highlights the significant growth opportunity arising from the large populations and currently low glove usage levels in these markets. The bar chart illustrates the stark contrast between the high glove consumption per capita in developed countries like the United States, 300 pieces, and Germany, 208 pieces, compared to the low usage in emerging economies such as Indonesia, 6 pieces, India, 7 pieces, and the Philippines, 14 pieces. However, the adjacent chart showcasing the substantial populations in regions like Asia and Pacific, 4.3 billion, Africa, 1.3 billion, and Southeast Asia, 663 million, underscores the immense potential for increased glove demand as healthcare spending and hygiene awareness rise in these markets. As a leading global glove manufacturer with a 26% market share and exports to over 195 countries, Top Glove is well-positioned to capitalize on this emerging market opportunity. The company's extensive production capacity, global reach, and established customer base could enable it to effectively meet the surging demand from these high-growth regions. Investors interested in Top Glove stock should closely monitor the company's strategies and initiatives to penetrate and expand in these promising markets, as successful execution could translate into significant revenue and earnings growth in the coming years. Slide 3. Based on the slide titled Diverse Range of Products to Align with Rapidly Changing Markets, Top Glove Corporation BHD appears to have a well-diversified product portfolio that is strategically positioned to cater to evolving market demands. The chart illustrates the company's ability to adapt its product mix over time, with a clear shift towards higher sales volumes of nitrile gloves and powder-free gloves, which are likely driven by increasing hygiene and safety standards in various industries. The consistent growth in the sales volume percentage of these two product categories suggests that Top Glove has successfully anticipated and responded to changing market preferences. Notably, the nitrile glove segment has emerged as the dominant product line, accounting for nearly half of the company's sales volume by the first quarter of FY24. This trend could be attributed to the superior protective properties and durability of nitrile gloves, making them a preferred choice in healthcare, industrial, and other critical applications. While the sales volume percentages of natural rubber powdered gloves and vinyl/TPE/CPE gloves have declined over the years, their presence in the product mix indicates Top Glove's ability to cater to a diverse range of customer requirements and price points. Overall, the slide highlights Top Glove's agility in adapting its product offerings to align with rapidly evolving market dynamics, which could be a key competitive advantage in the glove manufacturing industry. This strategic approach to product diversification positions the company favorably to capture growth opportunities across various end-user segments and geographies. Slide 4. Based on the slide titled Manufacturing Facilities Across 4 Countries, Top Glove Corporation BHD appears to have a well-diversified and extensive manufacturing footprint across multiple regions. The company operates a total of 48 factories, with 37 dedicated to glove production and 11 for non-glove operations. These facilities are strategically located in Malaysia, Thailand, China, and Vietnam, allowing Top Glove to leverage regional advantages and mitigate potential supply chain disruptions. Malaysia emerges as the company's primary manufacturing hub, housing 32 glove factories, 3 chemical facilities, 2 packaging facilities, and several supporting operations like a glove former factory, dental dam factory, mask factory, and gamma sterilization plant. This concentration in Malaysia likely provides economies of scale and operational efficiencies. Thailand and Vietnam serve as secondary manufacturing locations, primarily focused on natural rubber glove production and latex concentrate operations. The presence in these countries could be advantageous in terms of access to raw materials and cost-effective labor. China, while having only one vinyl glove factory, could potentially serve as a gateway to the vast Chinese market or as a base for future expansion in the region. Overall, Top Glove's diversified manufacturing footprint across multiple countries positions the company well to cater to global demand, mitigate risks associated with over-reliance on a single location, and potentially benefit from regional advantages in terms of resources, costs, and market access. Slide 5. Based on the slide titled Raw Material Prices and Energy Costs Showing Mixed Trend, it is evident that Top Glove Corporation BHD is facing a challenging environment with rising input costs. Based on the slide titled Raw Material Prices and Energy Costs Showing Mixed Trend, it is evident that Top Glove Corporation BHD is facing a challenging environment with rising input costs. 1. The line graph illustrates an upward trend in the prices of nitrile and natural rubber latex, which are the primary raw materials used in glove manufacturing. Notably, the nitrile prices have experienced a steeper increase compared to latex. This could potentially impact Top Glove's profitability, as nitrile gloves account for a significant portion of the company's sales volume, as shown in a separate slide. Additionally, the bar chart depicting natural gas prices reveals a substantial gap between the Malaysia reference price, MRP, and the NYMEX reference price, indicating higher energy costs for Top Glove's operations. Energy is a crucial component of the production process, and the pie chart on production cost structure highlights that fuel accounts for 15% of the total costs in the first quarter of the fiscal year 2024. However, the company acknowledges the challenges and states that higher utilization rates from increasing order trends could offset the impact of higher input costs. This suggests that Top Glove is banking on robust demand for its products to mitigate the pressure on margins from rising raw material and energy prices. Slide 6. Based on the slide titled 1Q FY24 Quarterly Results for the period January 9th to 30/11/23, Top Glove Corporation BHD appears to have delivered a mixed financial performance in the first quarter of fiscal year 2024. On the positive side, the company reported a 4% year-over-year increase in revenue, reaching $493 million, $105 million US. This revenue growth could be attributed to factors such as increased demand, favorable pricing, or market share gains. Additionally, Top Glove's EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, surged by 320% compared to the same period last year, indicating improved operational efficiency and cost control measures. However, the company's bottom line remained under pressure, with a net loss of $53 million, $11 million US, and a loss before tax, LBT, of $47 million, $10 million US. These losses could be attributed to various factors, including intense competition, rising input costs, or unfavorable market conditions. Investors should closely monitor Top Glove's ability to sustain revenue growth and improve profitability in the coming quarters. Key factors to watch include the company's pricing power, cost management strategies, and the overall demand dynamics in the glove industry. Additionally, the company's balance sheet strength and cash flow generation capabilities will be crucial in navigating any potential headwinds. Slide 7. Based on the slide titled SGX, Shareholder Value Track Record, Top Glove Corporation BHD appears to have delivered substantial returns to its shareholders since its listing on June 28, 2016. The line chart illustrates the company's share price performance, with a remarkable 90% total shareholder return achieved over the 6-year period since its initial public offering, IPO. This impressive growth in shareholder value could be attributed to factors such as strong financial performance, strategic expansion, or favorable industry dynamics. Notably, the chart also indicates a significant surge in the share price during the 2020 to 2021 period, potentially coinciding with the COVID-19 pandemic and the increased demand for personal protective equipment, including gloves. However, the share price has experienced a subsequent decline, which could be a result of normalizing demand or other market factors. The slide also highlights that Top Glove had over 8,752 Central Depository System (CDS) accounts as of December 31, 2023, suggesting a substantial retail investor base. This widespread ownership could contribute to increased liquidity and trading activity in the stock. Overall, Top Glove's historical share price performance and ability to create shareholder value could make it an attractive investment opportunity, particularly for investors seeking exposure to the healthcare or personal protective equipment sectors. However, a thorough analysis of the company's fundamentals, competitive positioning, and growth prospects would be necessary to make an informed investment decision. In summary, the Malaysian company serves over 2,000 customers in 195 countries and reported revenue of $493 million, $105 million US in Q1 FY 2024. However, Top Glove posted a net loss of $53 million, $11 million US in the same quarter due to challenges like oversupply and rising input costs. Despite the recent losses, Top Glove has delivered impressive shareholder returns of 90% over the 6 years since its listing in June 2016. The company is well positioned to capitalize on growth opportunities in emerging markets with large populations and currently low per capita glove usage. Top Glove has a diversified product range, with nitrile gloves emerging as the dominant product line at nearly 50% of sales volume in Q1 FY 2024. With a global manufacturing footprint across Malaysia, Thailand, China, and Vietnam, Top Glove aims to enhance operational efficiency and cost rationalization to navigate the current industry down cycle. There you have it, folks, a comprehensive analysis of Top Glove's FY23 results, dissecting 7 key slides that shed light on their diverse product range, manufacturing capabilities, growth opportunities, and shareholder value creation. As investors, it's crucial to stay informed and make data-driven decisions, and this video has provided you with the tools to do just that. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the Investing Iguana channel for more in-depth financial analyses and investment insights. Also, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on Top Glove's performance and future prospects. Remember, investing is a journey, and knowledge is your compass. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, happy investing.